Hello everyone, I'm John Jr. and welcome to my YouTube channel Reefing It Simple, where we like to do reefing simple. You want to set up a new reef tank. So today we are going to cover the essential equipment that you would need to set up a new reef tank. Let's go. Setting up a reef tank does not have to be difficult, and it does not have to be complicated. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to give you simple advice for setting up a reef tank. It has to be simple to operate, simple to maintain, and simply reliable. You don't need to buy no fancy equipment. You don't need to buy anything that's expensive. You don't need to buy no recirculating protein skimmer or anything like that right there. When you're starting up a new reef tank, you don't need a protein skimmer. You don't need very expensive LED lighting. The essential equipment that you would need when you're setting up a reef tank, you definitely need a reef tank. First of all, an aquarium. Whatever size you want is up to you. Do you need tap water or do you need RODI water? You can start with tap water. Just get a dechlorinator, add it to your water, and your fish will be fine. That's what I do with my tank. Having a heater, okay? Having a heater is very, very essential, especially in a colder climate area. You want to maintain the water temperature in your reef tank between 72 and 78 degrees. I would strongly recommend getting a titanium type heater, live rock and live sand. The reason why they call it live rock and live sand is because beneficial bacteria live in the live rock and also live on the surfaces of the sand. So, there's three types of filtration. You have your biological filtration, you got your mechanical filtration, and you also have your chemical filtration. Let's go over the things that we talked about that you need. First, you need a fish tank. You don't need an RODI system. That's not essential. Your biological filtration system, which is your live rock and your live sand, an aquarium heater, as well as a thermostat that goes with it. You don't need to get no expensive lighting. Just get a simple LED system for a reef tank off of Amazon, and it'll do just fine. Water circulation in a reef tank is very, very important. Okay, you don't need to go with the fancy DC ones. Okay, you can just go with a basic AC type, plug in, play. Just go with that, because water flow takes the waste away from corals and also brings food to the corals and also brings the corals oxygenated water. Keep it simple. My name is John Barnes Jr. and this is Reefing It Simple, where we like to do reef tanks simple. Special shout out to all of our veterans who have served our country. Thank you all for serving our country from one veteran to another. And I want to say to you all, God bless, Happy Veterans Day, and bye-bye.